This is a one-owner 2006 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew, 110,000 miles. It will be the cleanest F-150 in this price range, this age on the market. It is incredibly clean. Not a door ding, scratch, rock chip on this vehicle. One owner in wonderful, wonderful condition. Running boards, tires are in great shape, alloy wheels, tow package, tonneau cover, foldable bed liner, completely rust free. In remarkable condition. No accidents. Vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Cloth seats are like new. No rips, stains, wear marks. There's the Carfax report. There's our 125-point inspection report. AM, FM, CD. 110,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. In remarkable condition for its age. Hard to find a truck at this year in this condition. So this is a 2006 Ford F-150 Super Crew XLT two-wheel drive, 110,000 miles in absolutely phenomenal condition.